British pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca has made a significant admission regarding its COVID-19 vaccine. In documents submitted to the High Court in London, AstraZeneca acknowledged that its vaccine, developed with the University of Oxford, can lead to a rare condition known as thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome, which is also called TTS. This admission comes amidst a class action lawsuit in the United Kingdom, with claimants alleging severe injuries and fatalities caused by the vaccine. TTS, or thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome, is a rare condition marked by the formation of blood clots combined with a low platelet count. Its symptoms may manifest as breathlessness, chest pain, skin bruising, headaches, and numbness. If left untreated, TTS can result in severe complications like stroke, heart attack, and respiratory issues, depending on the clot's location. AstraZeneca, in court filings, acknowledged that its vaccine can, in very rare cases, cause TTS, although the exact mechanism remains unclear. The company is currently entangled in a class action lawsuit in the UK with 51 cases filed in the High Court, seeking damages potentially reaching €100 million. AstraZeneca emphasizes its commitment to patient safety, citing stringent regulatory standards for the safe usage of medicines and vaccines. In the past, concerns regarding a potential connection between AstraZeneca's vaccine and TTS emerged, leading several European countries to temporarily halt its uses in March 2021. The World Health Organization (WHO) and regulatory bodies have recognized the risk of TTS but have affirmed that the benefits of vaccination outweigh the exceedingly rare potential side effects. In India, where the vaccine is produced and marketed as Covishield by the Serum Institute of India, product information includes a cautionary note about the risk of TTS. Doctors in India have affirmed that the information regarding the potential risk of TTS is not novel and has been known since the vaccine's inception. They underscored that any adverse conditions and events linked to the vaccine would have manifested within 21 days to a month of the initial dose, emphasizing that vaccine has shielded millions from severe COVID-19. Furthermore, doctors highlight that COVID-19 itself elevates the risk of clotting, heart attacks, and stroke both during the infection and post-recovery period. While the recent developments regarding AstraZeneca's vaccine and the acknowledgement of its potential to cause TTS are unfolding in the UK, the news is resonating strongly in India for several reasons. Firstly, India is a significant market of AstraZeneca's vaccine known as Covishield, which is manufactured and distributed widely across the country by the Serum Institute of India. Secondly, the concern raised in the UK raises questions about the safety of the vaccine globally, including its use in India's extensive vaccination drive. Additionally, the acknowledgement of potential side effects by AstraZeneca had sparked discussions and debates about vaccine safety and regulation within India's medical and scientific communities and among the general public too. Many opposition leaders and political parties in India are criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for providing this vaccine to Indians at the time of COVID-19. For your information, it was vaccinated free to all Indians at the time of the pandemic. Now the chaos which has been created is buzzing around in India and all over the world. What do you think about this whole controversy about AstraZeneca and Covishield vaccine? Tell us in the comments below.